What up, people? Y'all already know when y'all hear from me, it's about to be a major move. But y'all definitely need to subscribe, like, and share this. Cause I'm about to go into deep detail. But anyways, y'all see me right here. I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly. So immediately, right, we about to have a nice move up, you know what I mean? But, it's still the same play that I've been saying. But like I said, they're going to continuously extend this until that Black Swan event happens. And then, it is what it is. But anyways, y'all see the green line that I've been had here. You see the triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Indicator move up. Boom. See how the way it hit the EMAs come down. Boom. Like I tell you, the EMA is very important. I got to watch out for those. Like I said, I love the 4 hour chart. So as y'all can see up close, you see this is basically what they're breaking out of. So that's 1, 2. This is about to be the third time about to break out. But y'all see the wicks right here, right? There's also another resistance level, right? You see where this doji at? Around right here. And y'all can see it's been tested twice, which is another indication we'll move up to the next level. So basically what I'm expecting, we should come back up here to this level, as I mentioned before, previously, around, I'll say 31.5, 32,000, right? I ain't gonna say 32,000, my bad. I'll say, yeah, it's 31.5, around the general range right here, right? Back up to here. The test is for the second time. Then we're gonna come back down. We may not even come down that far. We could just come down, you know what I'm saying, halfway up here, around 30, just above 30,000, and then make our next move up. So basically, we got to test this 3 times. Like I always tell y'all, market maker love doing things by threes, and I prove this to y'all all the time. Like just like right here, 1, 2, 3, move up. 1, 2, move up. 1, 2, move up. So boom, like I say, around this range, 31.5, come back down. Our support level should be above 30,000. But I'll say 30,500 to, you know what I'm saying, to be on the safe side. But basically, we break through that, we going down. You feel me? Because we should stay in this zone. And once again, they could extend this again. But let me go out in further time frames so y'all can see more proven facts, you know what I mean, with what's going to happen. So y'all see, we still in the same zone. And like I said, this is what it should have been a long time ago, because that's how I set up. But as y'all can see, beginning, you know what I'm saying, they didn't even do it right here, right? But I want y'all to check this out. When this move first started happening was right in the beginning of the year. You know what I mean? Crazy, right? So boom, what happened 3 months later? Boom, we come down, hit this 100 EMA. Exactly 3 months later. What happened 3 months later? Boom, we come back and hit the 100 EMA on the daily. What you think gonna happen 3 months later? It's gonna hit the 100 EMA on the daily for the third time. We're going to break down well past the 100 EMA. And like I said, the next support level, excuse that. Like I said, the next support level is all the way down here, around 19,000. So we talking about a move from wherever it decide to go, because we're going to test this. Like I said, we could get rejected right here, around 31.5, right? We may not ever break out and get rejected right there. And if we do break out, we could come all the way up here higher, you know what I mean, to around like almost 34,000, you know what I'm saying, just below that, like all the way up here. And then we had to come back down and bounce off 31.5 and continue and do the same process again, but it's not going to happen. We're just going to break down and crash all the way from up here. It's just going to be worse than what it would be, basically. If we break through 31.5 and continue up, it's just going to be a horrible crash. Like the higher it goes, because it's already set up to go below the 100 EMA. Like, look, 1, 2, 3. Like when we made that first drop, we didn't even hit this because that's a support level. It came almost down and hit it, so it's like we have to hit that, because that's an actual support level. We're going to break through the 100 EMA on the daily. So let me take this off so I can see a little better. See, look, January 1st, 3 months, boom. 3 months, boom. September, in the beginning of September will be the next crash. And like I said, this is the level we're going to come up here and test 2 more times, around 31.5. But like I say, we could come all the way up here, but it's a possibility, but it may not happen. But also, y'all can see on the daily chart, what is that? A bull flag that indicates that we about to make a nice move up, like I just mentioned. So they show you on all these time frames. Once you start looking at the charts every day, I mean, it's clear. You know what I'm saying? It's clear as day how they be doing it. You know, I literally be showing y'all exactly what these candles going to start and how it's going to happen. But like I say, they just extending the markets, and that's why I show y'all the longer time frames. You can still see it in the shorter time frames if you want to, you know what I mean? One of these days, though, you know what I mean? I'll show y'all that. wants to get some more time. But overall, we still in the same pattern, right? So we make the move, but we never came all the way down because we had to recover these candles on the weekly chart. Let me take this off. I know that's a lot for y'all to be seeing. But basically, like, this is how I get the charts. So you can see where I get the levels from. It's the bottom of this candle right here, which is that red line. And you got to look at this all the way from back in May of 2022. So you got to break out of this, right, this level, in order to go to the next level. And like I said, this is where the candlestick's at, around at 34,000. We have to basically eat this candle, come back down, and complete this whole candle next, which is almost like $40,000. And that's a crazy move, you know what I mean, going from 32 to 40,000. But anyways, the whole point is the red level is also the support level right here. That's why it's a resistance level. You see what we bounced off from, what is this, June 2021. That this is how far you gotta go back. And you see a support level right here when this thing first came up, and it came and bounced off of it. So yeah, that's a super support level. Not on the upside, that is. So it's a resistance level on the bottom side. So that's why we have to somehow break through this. And if we do, you got to break through this level right here next. And you see when you see there's not even the wick right there, that's super resistance. You feel me? That's also why I have that line right here. Like, we're going to break through that next. But like I say, I don't believe, because we still have to recover all these candlesticks before they even try to move up. That's just the thing. And then you see we got the pattern right here, right? Look, like I always show y'all, the M to the dub, boom, level 1, boom, level 2. We still in level 2. So this is how we could peak up. Level 3 ain't got to be nowhere near as large, but level 3 can come up just above these levels, right? And that's considered level 3. And then they have to restart the whole thing. Just like it's over here, look. W, level 1, level 2, level 3, restart. Same thing. Even right here, look, 1. That's the M. I know it's in a smaller time frame, but I see the chart so much. I know exactly what it is. You feel me? And that's a dub. Level 1, level 2, level 3, restart. And you see we came up here and tested level 2 times. But then so we got to go on a larger time frame. That's why I always show y'all so y'all can really understand and know that I know what I'm talking about, because it's the same thing on the shorter time frame. So basically, look. Even started down here. Boom. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Since it first started, that's why it was so high. And of course, you know what I mean, it really started, Bitcoin started was when the market crash happened, because that's where they put all the money into the markets. Anyways, you see the M right here and drop to the W. This is just level 1. But look, they tested 2 times already. So next time you come up there, you know what I mean, you're going to break through. So, but the thing is, like I say, the candles on a monthly have to stay above here, to basically above $10,000, right? In order to confirm this pattern. That's why I say whenever we make that drop, it's going to be a wick from $10,000 all the way down to the very least to around $6,500 on a monthly. But on the smaller time frames, I predict 5,500 for the very, very bottom. And I say that because of this candlestick right here. Even though this wick already came down, it did the same thing. Boom, like that. That's how I know this is exactly how this wick is going to look. It's going to be a wick just like this. A wick going to be larger than the actual box of the candle, but it's going to recover everything under $10,000 in that wick that it needs to. It's going to be boom. Then it's going to go up. And then that's when we're going to make our move up. And then that's when we're going to break through $60,000. But right now, like I said, it's going to be a nice little jump up for that level 3. But then it has to reset because it's a smaller pattern that's right there. Because boom, you see it clear as day. That's how I know it's supposed to come down here. And that's exactly what I showed. But it never came down here when it should have. So it's going to end up doing it from way up here all the way down here. But at the same time, let me take the drones off. At the same time, look at all these green candles. Why can't it be all red candles, that size on a monthly? But they're going to do this really fast, like I say, because for one, probably all of September, it's going to very least, $15,000, the whole candle. They might play around and go up. But the thing is, at the end of the day, I can't tell you what they're going to do, because honestly, There's nothing really supporting anything after that. I mean, they could literally just crash it all the way down. They could do that one day if they want to be honest. You feel me? But at the end of the day, they have to stay above $10,000 in a monthly. So they could just bring it down here and just drag it out sideways if they wanted to. Or they could steadily go down if they want to. But either way, it's going to be a candlestick right here. That's how I know that for sure for one of these months. And it may even come down here, probably a week out here, just to complete this, because they can't leave anything here because they trying to get their money back. And that's the only way they don't get their money back. If they take it back real fast. And they already gave it up real fast, you feel me? Even though they recovered literally half that candlestick, you feel me, with this wick. That's how you know they're going to come down. Probably half this candlestick right here too. Of a candle, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm seeing. But, you know, y'all see, I just gave y'all the proof again, all the way in deep detail, but y'all definitely didn't like and share this. And anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.